What if I told you there's a quiet group of luxury car owners who almost never visit dealerships, drive cars with over 250,000 miles that still smell like real leather, and spend less on maintenance than people driving decade-old economy cars? This isn't mythology. These are the cars dealerships hope you never learn about. Today, we're exposing 10 luxury cars that don't fall apart after the warranty ends. In fact, many of them do the opposite. They settle in. They stabilize. Some even become better to own with age. These aren't cheap luxury. These are machines engineered before cost-cutting, planned obsolescence, and software-dependent repairs took over the industry. And yes, one of these actually gets more valuable the longer you keep it. Let's start. BMW accidentally built one of its most reliable vehicles when it wasn't trying to. The 2011-2017 BMW X3 35i with the naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-six is what happens when engineers are allowed to finish a design before marketing gets involved. The N52 engine is smooth, understressed, and engineered like it was meant to survive abuse. Not impress reviewers. Survive owners. Yes, valve cover gaskets and water pumps are known wear items, but they're predictable, affordable, and finite. Independent shops regularly see these engines cross 250,000 miles without internal work. After the depreciation cliff, ownership becomes almost boring. German engineering, Japanese-level reliability, Subaru tier pricing. Audi followed with something even more embarrassing for its rivals. The 2012-2018 Audi A6 3.0T Quattro wasn't built to be flashy. It was built to last. The supercharged V6 is understressed, mechanically simple for its output, and proven over hundreds of thousands of miles. The Quattro system in this generation is mature and mechanical, not fragile. Suspension components age gracefully. Interior materials wear in, not out. Maintenance schedules look suspiciously reasonable compared to other German sedans. These cars don't unravel. They mellow. Infiniti did something radical by doing something simple. The 2014-2019 Infiniti Q70 5.6 is a flagship luxury sedan built around a naturally aspirated V8 and a conventional automatic transmission. No gimmicks, no experimental tech. At highway speeds, the engine is barely awake. The transmission doesn't hunt. Electronics don't glitch. Interiors don't fall apart. This was Japanese luxury engineering applied without ego. These cars depreciate brutally, and then stop. Smart buyers get $70,000 luxury engineering for a fraction of that, with maintenance that won't erase your savings. Mercedes learned from its mistakes. Briefly, the 2010-2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC was their reliability apology letter. Naturally aspirated V6, mature transmission, simplified all-wheel drive. This was Mercedes remembering how to build cars meant to last decades. Interiors were designed for wear resistance, not showroom sparkle. Electronics were conservative. Systems were tested beyond warranty horizons. 400,000 miles isn't rare in these. It's expected. Lexus, meanwhile, was playing a different game entirely. The 2013-2020 Lexus GS450h wasn't experimental. It was final-form hybrid engineering, naturally aspirated V6, overbuilt electric motors, battery systems designed for longevity, not lease cycles. The result? Flagship performance, real-world efficiency, and reliability that embarrasses most modern luxury hybrids. These cars require almost nothing beyond oil changes and tires, and they just keep going. Porsche proved something uncomfortable for everyone else. The 2008-2015 Porsche Cayenne GTs was engineered like a sports car that happened to be an SUV. Naturally aspirated V8. Overbuilt components. Testing standards closer to motorsport than suburbia. Even the air suspension, normally a luxury SUV death sentence, was redesigned with redundancy and durability. While others fail expensively, Cayennes just keep driving. Depreciation does the rest. After year 7, value stabilizes. Ownership suddenly makes sense. Genesis shocked the industry by out-engineering it. The 2017-2022 Genesis G90 3.3T delivered flagship luxury without the fragility. Twin-turbo V6, conservative tuning, overbuilt suspension, simplified systems. Maintenance schedules read like a joke compared to German rivals. Parts last, electronics behave, ownership feels calm. That's not an accident. That's engineering philosophy. BMW got it right once, and then moved on. The 2011-2016 BMW 535i, with the refined N55 inline-6, is what happens when early reliability issues are actually fixed instead of rebranded. Single turbo, mature software, proven transmission. These cars deliver serious performance without the chaos. Independent shops love them. Owners trust them. That alone tells you everything. Acura quietly built one of the most durable luxury SUVs ever. The 2014-2020 Acura MDX SH Aud uses a naturally aspirated V6, conventional transmission logic, and a mechanically brilliant all-wheel drive system. No air suspension. No fragile electronics. No drama. These age upward. Interiors soften. Powertrains loosen. Reliability improves. That's why mechanics recommend them to their own families. And then there's the car that ends the debate. The 2007-2017 Lexus LS460 wasn't designed to compete with German luxury sedans. It was designed to outlive them. Overbuilt V8, bulletproof transmission. Materials chosen for decades, not leases. Every system assumes a 20-year lifespan. These cars don't break. They accumulate miles. They redefine what used luxury means. And that's the truth dealers don't want you to learn. Luxury doesn't have to be fragile. Reliability doesn't have to be boring. And sometimes, the smartest money buys a car that's already proven it won't quit.